In rural India, every minute counts. But patients often lose hours traveling for doctors, only to face medicine shortage. What if healthcare didn't wait at hospitals, but reached every doorstep? Meet Arogya Sahayak, an IoT and AI powered medtech ecosystem built for rural India. From smart vital monitoring and instant AI diagnosis to offline health records and one tap telemedication, Arogya Sahayak brings clinic to the village. So, how it works? A healthcare worker will first of all capture all the vitals from the patients using our IoT kit, like blood pressure, glucose, SpO2, heart rate. All these vitals are recorded. Then our AI triage instantly flags urgent cases so that they can be prioritized and can be worked upon and can be taken into the consideration of the doctor immediately. Then doctor receives AI powered diagnosis, like all the information which is important for the doctor to look upon before the treatment is done is provided by the AI powered by the device to the doctor beforehand, so that it is easier for the doctor to look upon the case and work as soon as possible. Then patients, if the doctor is not available at the time and it is urgent for the patient to talk to the doctor, so no worries, you can just call the doctor. The specialist is one tap away. You can make audio calls, video calls, even in poor network. And meanwhile, a smart inventory system keeps track of pharmacy shortage also, because if the medicine is not available, there is no such use of all the things which we are doing, all the healthcare which we are providing. If we do not have medicines, if we do not have all the required healthcare required supplies, we cannot provide the medication properly to the patients. So our device also take care of the stock of all the healthcare related products, so that our clinic never goes out of any medical shortage, any medical storage. So what is the impact basically? Arogya Sahayak cuts down doctors' workload, saves patients time, wages and travel, and guarantees timely treatment with available medicines. We are Team Drishti, engineers, dreamers and problem solvers. With our experience in AI, IoT and healthcare, we are reimagining rural India, making it smarter, faster and fairer. Thank you. We are Team Drishti, engineers, dreamers and problem solvers. With our experience in AI, IoT and healthcare, we are reimagining rural India, making it smarter, faster and fairer. Thank you.